Welcome to the day in the life of a wannabe entrepreneur who's got a few ideas, let's say, and he's trying to attack them. So today is just going to be me, what it would be if I was to go into Cambridge and then just work in various cafes, libraries, whatever it may be. Usually the start of the day is just customer service and order completion and fulfillment. Not a very fun side of the business is the e-commerce side. We currently sell on eBay. It's our main platform. We sell hoodies, clothing, decor related items like night lights, just really dropshipping. That's all it is. So that's the revenue that's currently coming in quite nicely. I think we're hitting around 10,000 per month in revenue, which is around 3,000 in profit per month, which is okay. And it's a nice thing in the background. It takes about 1 to 2 hours per day. I'm gonna start kind of checking on UpWork if there's some employees that we can get related to store management, customer service, potentially listing as well, or going down a route of getting an AI agent which can just, basically use my laptop as a virtual machine in a way for it to just click through, do all the menial tasks that I need to do in the morning and get those done. That's the morning tasks done. Let's go to the gym and do some work. When I get bigger, I'll record it. But for now, 1 hour, just a quick session, because I'm trying to fit it in with badminton as well. I think I've got badminton in the evening, so I don't want to be too dead for that and future days of badminton. But nice. Now onwards, let's go find a place to eat. Bye. I realised I probably should have explained the application. So the aim is to be some form of a productive BeReel in a sense, where users can break down their goals in the main app, which will have 3 tabs. These are the 3 tabs. One's a close friends tab, a For You page, and then your user profile. The reason why it's a productive BeReel is because every time you complete a task or begin a task, you have the opportunity to upload a photo to your close friends or just the general user base. The reason for this is you can either get an XP reward, and it's mainly meant to make yourself stay more accountable, right? If your friends know that you're doing something, you're more likely to do it and do it better, and you're more likely to stick to it. So in a way, it's trying to democratize having an accountability manager through your friends. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. This is the main premise of the app. Currently only gotten up to the sign up page, so the front end still needs some work. But what I'm thinking about right now is the back end and what sort of variables need to be stored, what are sort of user information, user rewards, achievements, tasks, goals, likes, shares, comments, all of those sorts of things, and how to structure the database. So the good old friend GPT, I'm hoping he can help me out. See you on the other side. Okay, never mind. There's been a change of plans. I think instead of having random tasks, the tasks are going to be daily tasks, which are within these categories. So there's a learn, implement, and reflect. So you have the opportunity to do these 3 daily tasks. Goals can be anything. 3 goals per user. And then each user has a learn, implement, reflect daily task. So when you activate or finish one of these tasks, you have the opportunity to upload photo. Because the tasks are going to be limited now, I'm thinking of a feature. At the end of a learning task, you have the opportunity to upload a image of 1 page of what you learnt, and then using that page will generate a test using AI, and then from that test you'll be able to get a score, and related to that score, that's how much XP you earn towards your overall level. So that now the learning feature will have a test,
Then the implementation feature won't have any tests. It will just have the simple active photo, finish photo, and then reflect. Dependent on if you did a learn task in the day, it will retest you. So hopefully with this one it might not be possible to do a retest, but I'm really hoping you can get a retest done to evaluate truly what you've learned. So what we might do is kind of a guidance of a 4-hour period between a learn and a reflect task, just so that you can truly embed the new information into your brain. But yeah, I think that's going to be a new layout for this app. What do you guys think? Let me know, and I'm always up for changing it, but this is mainly due to storage concerns, and if users can have kind of unlimited tasks which are never the same, it's going to really impact storage. It's funny saying that because we have images being stored, so that's also going to be an issue, but we'll see how it goes, and if this is a nice workaround, at least for the tasks. Hopefully this sounds interesting. I know I already said that, but yeah, please let me know down below if any of this sounds appealing or sounds a bit too constrained. All is, I'm willing to listen, and I really want your feedback.
Here comes the first of the projects we're working on. This is going to be integrating Supabase into the front end. Although the front end isn't actually that much complete, I'll show that to you. So I've got to the sign up page, still basically where I'm at from previous. Yeah, so the front end still needs to be made in terms of the different pages and tabs. But actually how it connects to the back end is my real difficulty. And the main solution that Supabase provides is that it does a lot of the back-end functionality for you, but even then I still don't understand back-end fully, what that word even means, and how the actual Supabase API, you can communicate with it on the front end to communicate to your database directly, how to actually structure the database, how to do all these things efficiently. These are all questions I have to learn, so hopefully in this next 2-3 hours or so I'll have a bit of an understanding. But let's go. Okay, and we're back. Decent day. I wouldn't say much coding in terms of actually writing code done, but definitely move forward in understanding the database and Supabase and where we can kind of go with that. I'm sorry about the lighting just there, but also with the sign language, moved further with that. I'm not gonna lie, not as much. I'm gonna need a call with one of my friends to really wrap my head around the neural network, actually how to get the coordinates, all those sorts of things. But yep, hopefully that'll happen soon. And in terms of e-commerce agent and UpWork, didn't get to doing that, so that's another day, another thing, another task to set. I might start doing that actually, just like tasks for the next day. That'll really be in accordance with the app. I need the app, clearly. But nice, it's been a good day, but that's it. Oh wait, another sneaky treat coming up. I think I've got some badminton, so it's not the end of it. We've got some stuff left in a bit. And here it is, badminton next to these loud-ass volleyball people. We said that UpWork was on the agenda, so time to try and employ someone. Scheduled it for 1 PM tomorrow. Hopefully we can get a good interview in. Nice.